Hi, thanks for joining me today. I'm Kelly with HVAC.com, and I'm here to give you a quick overview of the Aprilaire 600 humidifier. Your Aprilaire humidifier will automatically sense when your home needs more humidity. The humidistat, which is located on the return duct, will sense the air coming in from your home, and if it is below the set level on your humidistat, it will tell the humidifier to turn on to bring the humidity up to the predetermined set level. The Aprilaire 600 humidifier is designed for use in mid-size to large homes, humidifying spaces up to 4,000 square feet and delivering 17 gallons of water each day. Now, how does the humidifier work? Let's take a look. To remove the cover, simply press the tap at the top and at the bottom and slide this cover off. When the humidistat tells the humidifier your home needs more humidity and your furnace blower is operating, water will flow from the water feed tube here into the distribution tray and trickle down over the water panel. The dry, hot air from the furnace then blows across the water panel, creating a natural evaporation process. This vapor that is created will then be pushed back into the ducts where it is distributed by the system's blower throughout your home. The Aprilaire 600 is a bypass humidifier, meaning that it requires a 6-inch duct connecting the supply and the return ducts. This way, the air bypasses the furnace and is pushed into the ductwork to distribute the humidity throughout your home. This humidifier can be mounted either on the return or the supply duct. The air can move in either direction, either into or out of the bypass opening. It can also be mounted right or left side. The humidifier measures 15 3/8 inches wide by 15 3/4 inches tall by 10 1/4 inches deep. The plenum, or duct opening, requires a space of 10 inches wide by 12 3/4 inches high. At HVAC.com, the Aprilaire 600 comes as a complete system. This includes one Aprilaire 600 humidifier, one number 35 water panel, a humidistat, digital automatic humidistat if you get the 600 automatic, or a manual humidistat if you purchase the 600M, one self-piercing saddle valve, and one 24-volt AC transformer. The only items not included are the copper tubing, drain tubing, and the humidistat wire. The Aprilaire 600 includes a 5-year warranty on parts and needs to be installed by a licensed HVAC contractor.